In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps from the Salesforce Appexchange. If you've ever wondered how to get started with expanding the capabilities of your Salesforce platform, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned user or just stepping into the world of Salesforce, these instructions will guide you smoothly through the process. First, the journey begins at the Appexchange webpage, which you can access by navigating to appexchange.salesforce.com. Once there, you'll find yourself in a vast marketplace bustling with options. Take your time to explore the categories or use the search function to pinpoint the specific app you're interested in. Knowing what you need will make this step much quicker. Once you've located the app that meets your requirements, it's time to proceed by clicking Get It Now. This button is usually prominently displayed, drawing your attention easily. This is your gateway to unlocking the potential of the app you've decided on. However, before moving forward, it's crucial to ensure you're logged into your Salesforce account. If you're not already signed in when you hit Get It Now, don't worry, a prompt will appear, guiding you effortlessly to log in. Just follow the cues, entering your username and password as needed, and you'll be swiftly returned to the installation process. After logging in, you'll encounter the Terms and Conditions window. It's always a good practice to read through these, even if you're eager to proceed. Understanding the terms ensures you're not surprised by any permissions or requirements later on. Once satisfied, tick the box to agree and then click on Install. This action signifies your readiness to incorporate this new functionality into your Salesforce environment. The installation process isn't finished just yet. Next, you'll be asked to decide on which profiles within your organization should receive access to the app. This is a critical step, as it provides you the control to allocate resources precisely and maintain security by ensuring only relevant team members have the right permissions. Carefully select the profiles you deem fit, and then, with everything set to your preference, click Install once more to finalize the process. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated through the installation of an app from the Salesforce Appexchange. By following these steps, you've expanded the toolset at your disposal and taken a proactive step in enhancing your Salesforce experience. Remember, the Appexchange is rich with resources. Don't hesitate to explore further and find new apps that can help optimize your workflow and productivity. Thank you for following along and enjoy your newly installed app.